Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Hello Sahil, welcome to eTimes TV. How are you?
Very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good and nervous, excited. क्या फीलिंग है? कुछ ही पल बचे हुए घर के अंदर जाने के लिए.
ये बाहर के लोग मुझे नर्वस कर रहे हैं और एक्साइट कर रहे हैं, तो मैं इतना ये बात करके मेरे को अभी जाना है घर के अंदर. I think I'll be much happier in the house than I'll be outside right now with all the 100 questions and the people telling me strategies and all. Just like चलो यार जाके just जीना है मुझे लाइफ में.
Yeah.
So,
And Sahil, what made you say yes to the show? I'm sure इस past में भी offer हुआ होगा, but why this time?
Ajib have been approached a few times. कभी-कभी अंदर से आवाज आ जाती, it comes and says, what, now is the time. And then I thought they approached me in a very wonderful way, saying that, I always thought कि I'll have to be something else on the show. And I went and spoke to him about my apprehensions, and I said that देखो कि मैं जो हूँ सो हूँ. I mean, मैं काम ही कर रहा हूँ बाहर. I get work. I'm happy. I can hide behind my characters. I can live my life privately. And then when I said those things, I was saying them, and I thought, why are we hiding behind who we are? Or why can't we be who we are?
Yeah.
And be liked, disliked is वैसे भी लाइफ में 10 में से 2 तो you might not like who you are. They might like
True.
You
can't keep everyone happy.
And you try, but नहीं होता है. तो I thought for a personal challenge, which my whole career has been a personal thing. It's not like I'm running behind something. I'm running with whatever's happening, and this felt like I was running with it. I didn't feel like there was opposition. I didn't feel that the only opposition was me.
Yeah.
So when I dealt with myself and I thought, I was okay with it.
Yeah. And lockdown ने भी थोड़ा prepare कर दिया?
वो तो आप साफ सफाई का बात कर रहे हैं, like cleaning and all.
साफ सफाई भी, and थोड़ा isolation में रहना. पहले हम सब काम के पीछे इतना भाग रहे थे. Every day घर से बाहर निकलना एक compulsion सा लगता था. But lockdown ने बोला नहीं, बैठो घर पे.
मेरी पूरी लाइफ में मुझे बिग बॉस के लिए तैयार करती है. I've lived abroad, I've lived in Australia, I've lived in America alone. तो America isolation is on another level only. तो फिर वो experience तो हो गया है. It's just that वो जो भी साफ सफाई का तो मैं बहुत करता हूँ ऐसे भी. तो I think घर को मैं ही साफ करूंगा. I don't think anyone else will do it also. तो लॉकडाउन ने हेल्प किया कि अपने आप को देखना. Is it that you can change? And इसका timing जो है वो बहुत अच्छा है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि I've learned how to be more centered. So which I don't know is going to happen show के अंदर all the time, but देखते हैं. That's probably your next question.
Yeah. No, but I want to know जो आपने first answer में बोला कि I was hiding, I'm happy. Yeah, I was happy hiding behind a character. Now, with Big Boss, what happens कि काफी सारे ऐसे भी celebrities रहे हैं जिनके लिए आके Big Boss बहुत अच्छा work किया है, कुछ के लिए नहीं किया है. उनका एक image change हो गया है and they did not appreciate or liked it. अब now that you are entering the house, are you ready to show to the audience your flaws, आपके weaknesses? Are you okay?
We are human beings, yaar. We are constantly हम अपने करियर पे फोकस कर रहे हैं कि हमारा क्या होगा, पर वो to improve your career you have to improve yourself also, no? तो साथ में hand in hand जाता है, right? Especially as an actor.
Yeah.
तो I'm saying right now that I will fail or I will win or I will this thing, and that is a humane character that exists within us, right? So if someone thinks that I have got flaws and I get this, but someone else might think, wow, I'm like him. I also have this, right?
Yeah.
So today, accepting your flaws is the nature of growth.
Yeah.
So I'm just doing it. And post the show also, I'm going to go back into my shell only and live my life only. And who's going to abuse me on social media? करो जितना करना है, right? तो career हो या there is, if you live in fear कि कुछ होने वाला है, you're never going to live. So I believe that if I'm saying कि मेरी ये गलती है, right, कि मैं ऐसे हूँ और मैं को बदलना है अपने आप को, So then what is wrong?
Yeah, right. Yeah. And how,
Most characters you play are flawless also, are full of flaws.
yeah, true. Yeah. And Sahil, how comfortable are you doing the household chores? क्योंकि उसके ऊपर से बहुत लड़ाइयाँ होती है घर में, खाना बनाना, cleaning toilet pots, घर को साफ रखना, सब training.
Strength point.
Weakness
point.
Oh, wow. So you
Men
can
have
cook.
to also do their work, yeah. Men can cook, men can clean. What is all this? Buy के क्यों नहीं? हम सब करते हैं यार. हम cleaning करते हैं पूरा. बड़े सब संभाले हैं. अमेरिका में घर संभाला है. सब कुछ संभालते हैं. क्यों नहीं?
Right.
I might not be that neat, like everything in one line and all, but everything will be done.
Yeah. So, yeah. And share करने की बात हो तो are you comfortable sharing your bed? Toilets भी similar होंगे. नहीं काफी सीजन्स में बेड शेयर भी करने पड़ते हैं.
वो जिसका लव इंटरेस्ट होगा वो बेड शेयर करते होंगे. मैं आई थिंक हम सेपरेट बेड पे पहले रहेंगे. और am I comfortable? See, that is the challenge, no?
Yeah.
Now, I went to boarding school.
Yeah.
तो फिर मैं वो ये डाल दूंगा उसके अंदर. वो So I have got a lot of experiences of all these things. वो डाल दूंगा अंदर. और जो चीज के लिए एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है उसमें सीख लो ना. एंड अगर उसमें फेल हुए तो बोल दो हाँ मैं फेल हो गया, दिस इज माय वीकनेस, आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन इट. खलास हो गई बात. इफ टुडे यू टेल मी साहिल तुम ऐसे हो, हाँ मैं ऐसे हूँ, मेरे को बता आपको, व्हाट डू यू गोइंग टू से नेक्स्ट?
या राइट, एग्जैक्टली.
So I am also discovering what I'm good at or not. While we are talking. हाँ.
Yeah. And जंगल थीम है तो वो एडवेंचरस स्ट्रीक है आप में.
Whole life has been adventurous except last few years. बहुत adventurous. Grew up on a farm. Then I lived in Australia. Then I lived in LA. में जाना तो experience है, but अलग experience है. Adventurous तो है ही है, but I'm very happy it's a jungle environment क्योंकि फिर थोड़ा हवा खाने को तो मिलेगा, extra oxygen मिलेगा. I don't feel like I'll be in a last house देखा, I was like, oh God, this looks very like hectic. So I'm very happy jungle है. मिल जाएंगे तो नए दोस्त मिलेंगे. Snakes जो भी है, happy to.
Yeah. And have you seen the previous seasons? Who has been your favorite contestant? किसकी journey आपको बहुत अच्छी लगी है?
Siddharth Shukla. No? I keep answering the same guy. I think Siddharth Shukla has been fantastic. I relate because I know the person a little bit in the past, bit, and I see that authenticity then, and I see the authenticity now in what a little bit I thought and saw, and I think that.
And I'm sure you must be looking forward to meeting him. अगर आपकी बात कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पहले चल रही होगी, because वो seasons में आते रहते हैं.
Very strange. Siddharth Shukla, 2 days before he passed away, I thought कि यार ये सब बात चल रही थी. I said, how do I get in touch? And I know someone who knows him or whatever. And I said, चलो बात कर लेंगे, अब बहुत time हो गया. And then 2 days later, my mom, someone sent me, mom also sent me that this is what happened, and I was like, oh my God. And like I not even thought of Siddharth, and like I said, he was not a very good friend. We didn't know each other very well, but there was always a respect when he said hello. And yeah, it's just a sad story. And I keep saying his name, but props to him for living a full life and being himself on and off the camera.
Yeah, right. And अगर हम challenges की बात करें साहिल, यहाँ पे बहुत challenges अपने आप में contestants के रूप में आते हैं when they come on your face and they instigate you and poke you to to actually एक fight instigate करने की कोशिश करते हैं. वो situation से आप कैसे deal करने वाले हैं? क्योंकि हर season में ऐसा कोई ना कोई contestant होता है.
अगर मैं आपको बोल दूंगा तो फिर मैं अपना पोल खोल दूंगा. तो देखिए, मेरे लाइफ में 2-3 लोग हैं जो झटके से सीखता है. तो जब भी मैं बात करता हूँ सुनता नहीं, थोड़ा झटका देना पड़ता है. और एक है जो अगर मैं झटका दूं रोने लग जाएगी. और एक है जो उसका बीच में अटकती है. तो थोड़ा सा पोल पुश करना पड़ता है कि उसका जो उस वक्त पे जो रूप है उसके हिसाब से हमारा जो रिएक्शन होना चाहिए. Will that be 100%? Probably not. But will I try and be? If someone wants to go aggressive with me, good luck to them. Yeah. Sure, I've dealt with more aggressive people in my life abroad. And if they want to be polite, respectful, that also is there. So.
एंड बिग बॉस के घर में काफी रोमांस भी हमें देखने के लिए मिलता है. डू यू थिंक द शो इज?
यार आप लोग सेम क्वेश्चंस को एक दूसरे को मैसेज करते हैं क्या आने के पहले? रोमांस, एग्रेशन, ये
स्ट्रैटेजीज होती है लोगों की घर के अंदर जाके सरवाइव करने की. या तो झगड़ा करो, प्यार मोहब्बत करो, तो आप सरवाइव करते हो गेम. और कुछ लोगों की स्ट्रैटेजी होती है जो पहले से प्लान करके जाते हैं.
I don't know if this strategy है कि नहीं, क्योंकि maybe I don't know. मेरी कोई strategy नहीं है, but if there's a wonderful girl and I get a connection with her, I think मेरे मुंह पे लिखा है क्या ये? सब लोग मेरे को यही देख के क्या हो? This guy is going to be flirting with women. And then look, a connection with someone और ऐसे मुश्किल situations में जहाँ पे हम रह रहे हैं साथ में, ये हो रहा है, very possible, very possible. अगर वो स्ट्रैटेजी हो या ना, I don't have that. I am real. If I like someone, she will know it. If I speak or not, अलग बात है. I think वहाँ पे companionship ज्यादा होता है और love कम होता है. क्योंकि everyone needs support over there. और उसमें अगर वो हो गया, love connection हो गया, अलग बात है. But it always starts with companionship, and I'm absolutely okay with companionship.
So you'll be meeting Salman Khan on the premiere night. I'm sure आपने उनसे भी मुलाकात हुई होगी. You belong to the same industry. Excitement?
Yes, but I know Salman Khan the way you all see Salman Khan. So I know that as a contestant and you can call him mentor. He's smart. He's done this for 15 years, and I have no experience going in. So I'm looking forward to the ability to play the game with him more than anyone else.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna be fun. They're all normal guys like us.
Yeah.
We're just superstars. That's it.
So you won't hide अगर feelings है भी तो.
Does it look like I'm hiding now?
No.
You should gauge me now only. Not hiding. What's there to hide?
Yeah. Any message to fans, Sahil, before wrapping up?
The fans are what we do this for. अगर आप नहीं होते तो कौन? Who would think of going into such a situation where you have to put yourself through all this? Please, आप मेरी journey को जानते नहीं हैं, मेरे काम को जानते हैं, पर मेरी journey को नहीं जानते हैं. Please come on the journey. I'm sure it's going to be laughs and completely opposite perspectives of what you think people are on Big Boss. And मेरा जो approach है वो real है, authentic है. I don't know any other way. मैं कुछ बन भी नहीं सकता हूँ. मैं कुछ अलग भी नहीं बन सकता हूँ. तो come join the ride and come along with me and support us and and support me if you can. And I'll be very grateful and hopefully see you at the end of the show when I'm out.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sahil. All the best for the show and hope you entertain us and come out with the trophy.
Thank you, Vijay.